What's up, T&S family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl, Sarah. I don't know why I was doing that hand gesture. This is a Friday and I am here at the gym. Guys, say hi to my girl, Kelsey. We're gonna get a workout in and then go about our day, but it's such a beautiful day. I actually can't wait to work out. Tally! Everyone's outside. It's a split of us girls, so now we're all with like randoms. Guys, this is my fave tongue girl.
Restricted or comfy?
Well done. Nice. Right, now it's the time to figure out who's going to start first. Oh, bro, easy guys. Wait. Oh, good. Good job. Good job. Good job, bro. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, good job. Good job.
Thanks. Para.
Amazing. What are you two up to?
None of your business.
Oh, where's my ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we're gonna rate the workout. I rate it 10.
9, I'm though. 100 because I died.
Die in the air, so that's 5 out of 10.
I'm dead, maybe 2.
2?
Always 10 out of 10.
Period. 10. 1,000. Oh, because I can't breathe. That was so good.
Yeah, it's so...
I like this color on you. Hey guys, okay, so I finished gym and then I went and did some shopping. Now I am headed over to Urbnsurf. Me and my girls, Renee and Amanda, photo here. We are going to have a girls' night and yeah, we're just gonna go and like tackle some waves. Girls' husbands have left to go to America as they've gone for a brother's trip. So the girls messaged me that we were gonna have a girls' night tonight. So yeah, guys, come with us as we go and battle these waves. She's a surfer or whatnot. I made it. This is crazy. We're both wearing the same bag. Twinning. We're waiting for Amanda. Oh. So Renee's been here like 5 times. Booked herself and then she's like, nah, Amanda and Sera are coming along. Oh, I can't wait. That looks so good. Okay, guys, we're gonna get changed into our wetsuit. Wait right there. Guys, look at what it is. Show your wetsuit. I'm shy. Okay, guys, we're just putting on our wetsuits and then we'll go outside. But guys, the girls are here.
We are ready. Are we ready?
Oh my God. I was saying to Renee, Manda, I can't believe Manda said yes to surfing.
Look, when you done her husband. When you done her husband, you done her choice.
This is our outfit of the night. Guys, we are so lema sangi.
So you either walk or paddle out, then turn your board around, face the way that you want to go. You'll get on the board, but your feet just like behind the bottom of the board, because you still have to keep your feet throughout the thing, the water, and then you have to use your arms to paddle. And then as you're getting some momentum, that's when you push yourself up. Push yourself up. You can either jump up or one leg at a time, and then just land and then just balance. Oh, like, yeah, girl, like that.
That's what I said, guys. I'm shocked this girl said yes to this. We're going to get our boards. There's a hot tub here as well.
You know, so used to this.
It's good like this. Like
We're just getting a board for the second. I've been here a few times.
can't take Manda serious.
So it doesn't give you like any special powers or anything. That's better.
Can you shush your mouth? You've never been here.
So the bigger the better. The bigger the board, the better the soap.
Run outside, Renee.
Oh, we hold it.
And we kind of want to stay as far away from the reef as we can. The white water starts pushing you, you are going to try to pop up. And that's what we are going to talk about.
Oh, nice.
That looks perfect.
Got it.
Yeah, just ride all the way in and then go again and
And then
again.
get out.
Our goal is to stand up once.
Okay, one time. We got this. We got this.
Okay.
Excellent staff in the water as well for you. So, if you've never been here before, the surf guides, we give you safe and easy to become a really nice speed bump and surf and come with you behind you. Now, we don't want you hurt, we don't want you board snagged. There's no coming over the shoulders and back to the way to do. If you're down, always just paddle towards the shore, catch the black water and then use the phone back to the gear. Towards the end of the session, you don't hear a siren, that guide is like, we'll come get you water.
Okay, guys, I'm actually getting so nervous. Are you nervous?
Most stoked, most encouraging, and our Aurora and
Good job, everyone. Honestly, you're awesome. Oh, that looks good.
Alright, on 3, 2, 1, put your arms up. 3, 2, 1,
Hello, smiling faces. You're going to have a ripper time.
I've got to go save someone.
This right?
I think so, as long as you do.
Oh wait, does this go left?
Hey. We made it. We had to switch our boards. We had a yellow, but that one is more for Renee because she's done this before. So Amanda's gone to switch her board out, but we're gonna get in. Should I do this leg or the other leg? Whoa! Okay, guys, see you in the water.
I think I am wearing this. This surfing lesson. I am freezing. So now I'm gonna go and spend $15 to hire a wetsuit, a full body one.
No, chicken wing. Cobra.
Cobra.
Yeah, tie it up there, eh? Yeah, now. Back. Tie that up.
Let's see if I can implement that, guys.
So I'm back because I got too much water in the tardingas. That's why I'm back. Now I want to go try and get the sissies, catching them waves, go Saz. I can't see who's who. I think that's Sera there. Oh yeah, there they are. There's Saz and Ren.
Go surfer, babe. Ooh, the water is freezing. Freezing the water. I low-key want to go and sit in the sauna. Get it, sister! Come on, surfer babe. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Ah, humans! Ah, good girl! Good girl. Go, Red! Ah, go, Red! Ah! Guys, we made it! Nay! She stood up so many times. That was so much fun. Our instructor, Claudia.
Well done, girls.
We did it! Oh, cute. Okay, guys, we're gonna go get changed. Just finished catching a wave in Hawaii. The waves were crazy out there, man. I have no idea where Amanda has disappeared to. We're gonna return the boards. This was like a session that Renee found. It's a surf and sip, and it was $45 for us to come and surf. And the board is for free. And how much is the wetsuit to hire? It's $15 to hire the wetsuits. Lucky, I already owned one.
Wait, let's go over there in the hot tub.
Okay.
I'll just get my bottle.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Rain's going to get her bottle. They also have a hot tub here, so you can jump in there. We have to go look for Amanda. I have no idea where she's disappeared to. The poor girl jumped out. She came in her shorts, like you guys saw. Then she came back out to change her wetsuit because she said she was really cold. Oh, there she is. Yeah! Amanda!
And I want it. Oh, I need a defrost. Frozen. Oh, yeah. That's so nice. Oh, girl. My feet are freezing. My feet. Mate. Oh my gosh, my feet are defrosted.
Good. What do you rate it, Amanda, as our first time?
Oh, I would say, well, I did 10 out of 10. Nah, it was actually good. I liked it. Apart from it being freezing.
Freezing, yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine in summer though, it will be so much better. What do you rate it, Nay? Your 500th time coming?
Love it, love it. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10 too. Okay, we're gonna enjoy the hot water and we'll be back. Just like that, we're done.
All done.
But we're gonna go and have some food. Our wristbands. Okay. If you have never been here, you have to try it. It's actually so much fun. They've got the best instructors who are with you 24/7 in the water. Guys, they also have prizes for us. I hope we win, guys. I hope we win something. Wow. Cutesy.
Our last prize is the Aurora prize. This is a very special Urbnsurf prize, which is a double pass to go to the point or go and do 2 lessons in the bays. And these girls were fucking killing it. They were in the bays, and I could hear their use from the point. So it goes to Amanda and Sera.
Yeah, give it to her. Here you guys.
It's gonna roll. Thank you.
So good. And you wore a short arm wetsuit, and I was like, this girl's fierce.
Yeah, and then I went back and I put on the long one because I was cold.
Encouraging, incredible energy, and you girls were just like from the get-go. It was amazing to see.
These two are talking to their husbands in America. She's like, go home. Okay guys, our food's here. Look at these oysters. Ooh, squid. Fishing chips. And the girls.
Side dishes.
No, that's okay.
You're happy?
Yeah, well.
You guys are feasting.
Thank you. Okay guys, we're all gonna try oyster.
Oh my god, I was gonna eat it.
No,
it's a rock.
oh my god.
It's a rock, girl. Do they have salt? What are these? Is there salt? Oh, that's a vinaigrette. Is there salt?
Having a take off.
No, girl.
Just feel like I'm behind the crashing area. Like it's always like crashing towards me.
Cheers to the girls, the trio.
Yeah, the girls.
When you
Oh my gosh, that is so yummy. This is what I'm talking about. The food, amazing.
The vibes, even better.
We're going to get that mushroom.
That's so convenient. I don't know how.
Alright guys, we're going to end our vlog here. We're going to enjoy ourselves, enjoy our dinner. But thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye guys.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Insert her dancing here.